Telangana is allocated 26,216 crores as against 50,475 crores for AP. The Union Finance Minister also made a reference to AP Reorganization Act and announced that AP would be provided rupees 15,000 crores as additional grants in the current year and similar amounts in the future years. Moreover, the Union government has been targeting Telangana state by restricting the borrowing of the state under FRBM Act by curbing the loans taken by corporations, governments, undertakings under the government guarantees with budgetary borrowing of the state government. Also, the Union government has been refusing to provide central grants for Mission Kakatiya, Mission Bhagarita, as recommended by Niti Aayog, as well as Palmeru Rangareddy Lift Irrigation Scheme and Kaleshwaram project by designating them as national projects on the lines of Polavaram project of AP as per the AP Reorganization Act. The Union government has not fulfilled many of the provisions made in the AP Reorganization Act, including distribution of revenues and appropriation of assets and liabilities of the state government and the state public undertakings. The AP Reorganization Act made several provisions for setting up educational and infrastructure facilities in Telangana also. These provisions relate to the establishment of tribal university, setting up integrated steel plant at Bayaram, and integral coach factory at Khazipet, apart from improvement of road connectivity under NHAI and rail connectivity in the state. The Union government has also refused to release the central grants for the development of backward districts in Telangana. Even after 10 years, the Union government has failed to fulfill these assurances to the Telangana under the AP Reorganization Act. On the other hand, the BJP government at the center has been making attempts to harm the interest of Telangana by seeking to privatize some coal blocks of Singarini colonies, pressurizing the state to privatize the nationalized bus routes operated by TSRTC, and also gaining control over all irrigation and hydel projects of Godavari and Krishna rivers. Telangana state has suffered a lot on account of the Union government apathy in resolving the issues relating to sharing of Krishna waters between Telangana and AP under the Krishna River Water Dispute Tribunal Act. This has adversely affected the Palmeru Rangareddy and Dindi irrigation projects in the state. After the change of government in the state in December 2023, Revant Reddy Saab has met on Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Union Home Minister Amit Shah, and other union ministers to seek clearance for various state projects and schemes, as well as for their additional assistance to state, but in no vain. I would like to demand once again that the Congress government in the state should implement all the 6 guarantees and the other promises made by the Congress